How to display Shopify estimated delivery date on product page. Well, to show you this, we have to go to our products first. And here, for example, I can open one of my products, in maybe this case here. I just click on this eye icon, which says View on Online Store, and this will take us to another page of how it's gonna look. Now, I want somewhere here to show up what the estimated delivery date will be like. And in order to add this to our page, we have to go back to my store here. And I'm just gonna go here to the bottom left where it says settings. And from here we can go to apps and sales channels and to the Shopify App Store. And now here you want to type in something like estimated delivery date. We'll just type this in. Okay, and now what you want to do is make sure to look for an app that has a good review like this one. It has a lot of downloads, so you're sure it will be a useful one. Let's try this, for example. This looks reliable. I'll just click on install and it will take me to a new page. And here just have to click on install. And now it should take me to this page where I can enable this app, and it will show me what the text will be like. In this case, it says free shipping to the country flag and the country name, which are going to be input here. You can also customize your message down here. Choose a custom message, and when you're done with that, you just click on enable it and it should add it to your plan. And that's how you add a estimated delivery date to your product page in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.